Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing a running baseball. So to start with, I'm gonna use my pencil and I'm going to start with a template. Okay, so I've got this lid here. You could use, a container. In my classroom, I've got some stencils of different sizes. Okay, so I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, I think this might be a little bit big for the paper. Maybe if I turn it this way. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like it this way more. All right, so I'm gonna start by just in pencil going around this because some parts are gonna get overlapped, but I need the geometricness of the circle. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by drawing the eye. So I'm gonna draw kind of an oval like that. And then I'm gonna put another circle in that. And this is gonna be the light part of his eye. And this is gonna be black. Oh, kind of fill that in. There we go. And then he's got like a little nose right here, which is just like a backwards letter C. And then I'm gonna draw another eye here, but it's gonna overlap like that. And then I'm gonna have a small circle and a big circle. And then this part's gonna be black. There we go. Perfect. All right, then he's got a little smiley face, so I'm gonna draw a little half circle and come around like so. And then I'm gonna draw a big, like kind of half oval here with a letter M in the middle of it, and that's his tongue. And then I'm gonna draw kind of like a little expression line there. Okay, so then off this back of the circle, I'm gonna draw a line coming down, and then I'm gonna draw another line coming down like this. And then I'm gonna draw a kind of like what would that be? Like kind of a letter C coming down. All right, then I'm gonna draw another letter C coming down like that. And then I'm gonna draw a line coming around, because you can see the bottom of his shoe. And then there's kind of like the heel and then the front of his shoe. Okay, then I'm gonna draw a line coming forward and up. And then I'm gonna draw a line coming right here. Just a little rectangle. Okay, then this gets erased. And then I'm gonna draw his back foot. So it kind of like comes, if you were to draw this coming back, it just runs right into his back foot like that. And then he's got another like that. They look like noodles. And then we're gonna draw a letter C here. And then we're gonna draw a little letter C right here. And then we're gonna draw kind of like a letter C there. And then we're gonna finish the shoe. It looks kind of like a bean coming around like so. And then here's the top of his shoe here, and there is the sole of his shoe right there. Okay, so now he's got some legs. Excellent. All right, now we're gonna draw the arm. So the arm is gonna start about here, come up and back, come up and back. And then here we go, kind of like the foot with a letter C, teeny tiny letter C. And then here is his hand, which is kind of like a glove. So we're gonna draw kind of a little curve here and a curve here. And then we're gonna draw a curve another, oops, I wasn't watching what I was doing, another curve. And then we're gonna draw a curve coming back here like this. Okay? And I think I will erase part of this. Like if I would have drawn this in pencil, I would have erased that part. Okay, so then for the other arm, I'm gonna come straight across, over, and just draw 2 lines coming out. We're gonna draw another C, just like that. Then I'm gonna draw another C with a little hook on it, and another C with a hook on it. And then I'm gonna draw another C, and a little wrist like that. All right, what am I forgetting? Ah, the laces, yes. Okay, so for the laces, they're just gonna run right up here, and you probably can't see that on the screen. And I'm gonna draw these big, chunky, what would these be called, like chevrons? Letter V's. There we go. And then I can put in the rest of the ball that I had in pencil. And I have a little erasing here. Get rid of that. I got rid of that. I think that looks pretty good. And you know, maybe I think I'm gonna put some eyebrows on him. You could or you couldn't, whatever you want, just to give it some more expression. I kind of like that with the eyebrows on. We'll put a little more expressive lines here and here. I like that. Okay, so where is he? Well, he's outside probably. So I'll put an outside line. So here's the ground, here's the sky, and looks good. Maybe I'll put some clouds up here so you know it's outside. Give a little more information to the viewer. All right, hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.